Hi, Jesseb here. One of the things we need to do from time to time in Excel is deal with items in different columns, and we would like them, possibly all of them, to be in one column. We want to join them together. Now, there is concatenate, which you can use. It is a function, but let's keep it simple. Let's do it the new, improved way. As in all formulas, the first thing we need to do is type in equal. We want to put the area code, prefix, and number together in one column. So we're going to come over here and click on the area code. Then we're going to put an ampersand in here. Now the key there is when you're joining things together within a formula, you need an ampersand. Then we're going to add the prefix and another ampersand. We want to add the number. Now we'll check that off, and you notice we have the number. It looks good. It's all together. It's in one column, but we want to add a little bit more to this. I want to have my dashes in there. There should be a dash after the area code, and then there should be one, of course, after the prefix. So to accomplish that, rule number one in writing a formula, anytime that you add text to a formula, it should be in quotes. So I'm going to type a quote. I'm going to hit the dash, then type another quote. So there's my dash inside the structure after the area code. Now I'm going to take that little structure there and I'm going to add it, of course, for the other two numbers. But now because I've added something new, I need to add another ampersand. Got to have another ampersand because I'm adding something new. Then at the end of the prefix, I'm going to add that dash. So I need to put in another ampersand and then add the dash. Whoop! Hit the wrong button, sorry. There we go. And that gives me the area code and a dash and the prefix and a dash and the number. We'll check that off and we'll do a little double click on the autofill there to fill the number all the way down, and there I have all my numbers looking very clean, all structured, but in one column. Now the last thing I might want to do with this is they are numbers, so let's align them to the right. So there are my phone numbers all aligned to the right. Thank you. Have a great day.